Dr. Jaffe, how can PERQ and LRA by ELISA Act be helpful for someone with ankylosing spondylitis?
Well, ankylosing spondylitis is an autoimmune self-attacking condition. Any autoimmune condition asks for our lymphocyte response assay, LRA by ELISA Act, getting T cell and immune complex and meaningful antibody information through a cell culture. This tells us what burdens and is perceived as foreign by your body and what you are tolerant to and can digest, assimilate, and eliminate without immune burden. Now, there's a very famous case of a very famous editor who developed ankylosing spondylitis while visiting the Soviet Union, came back to NIH and nothing worked, and then his doctor, Jaffe, discharged him from NIH, brought him into the Hay Adams Hotel, which is a very lovely hotel, and infused 25 grams of vitamin C twice a day and had him watch reruns of Candid Camera because that made him laugh. And the combination of laughter and intravenous vitamin C caused remission in the ankylosing spondylitis, and it never came back. Not only was there a remission, it did not recur. So there is a place for intravenous vitamin C, as Dr. Paul Anderson teaches and others, in severe cases of ankylosing spondylitis. Now, I would recommend measuring both the peak and trough levels of ascorbate, and then you adjust the ascorbate to be infused based on the target ranges, which we have published and he has published. Magnesium and choline citrate based on the first morning urine is also helpful. If there's metabolic acidosis, the ankylosing spondylitis will be worse. If there's catabolic illness, the ankylosing spondylitis will be worse. If you're just right and balanced, have enough magnesium to deal with the metabolic acids, the ankylosing spondylitis will be less. And most interestingly, if you have enough magnesium, you protect delicate omega-3 and omega-6 fats from oxidation when they're being transported, say, to the liver. Because if they oxidize, if these essential fats oxidize, they promote ankylosing spondylitis. But if they're in their protected, reduced, native form, they promote repair and reduce ankylosing spondylitis. So there are many things in the nature, nurture, and wholeness world that I would recommend to tame ankylosing spondylitis. And we urge you to check out our LRA by ELISA Act as core and part of that remission plan. I'm Dr. Jaffe, developer of the LRA test, and I'm here on behalf of Nature's Alkaline Way and Nature's Pharmacy, and I want you to be well and not have ankylosing spondylitis.